One, two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
The Center for Wooden Boats offers programs to kids from age like 1 month all the way to age 19. Kids who go to public schools and independent schools, kids who are coming with camps and with social service organizations. They come from every part of Seattle. They come from as far away as Portland.
All over the place. All over the place. We did stuff that they have never had a chance to do before, and I have never had a chance to do. We went crabbing and caught our own food and cooked our own food and built boats and went on these long expeditions and went to places none of them had ever been before, you know, and I think that sort of adventurousness and that kind of victory in oneself and in an experience just provides a kind of confidence that you can't get anywhere else, and you can't get from writing a paper or from reading some book and getting an A on a test or something. It's about moving through the world in a way that is victorious, you know, and not competitive but cooperative, but where you face things that are difficult and overcome them together as a group, you know, and build a community that is strong and loving.
On the Umiak trip where we did a capsizing drill, and that's where we flipped the Umiak boat over in the water so the bottom is facing up, and we'll have to find a way to pick it up and release all the water out of it. It was kind of hard, but with everyone working together, it was kind of easy to pick up and get all the water out.
I think one of the things that I think is really exciting about our youth programs is that we're really committed to accessibility for students from everywhere so that everybody has the opportunity to get in a boat.
Whoever invented this place, man, very good idea because it's a good place to be.